Once you've entered the presentation information into each slide, formatted the information, added content objects, set animations and transitions, you're ready to present your slideshow. You can launch a slideshow a couple different ways. To start the slideshow from the first slide, click on the From Beginning command, which is found in the Slideshow command tab within the Start Slideshow group. To start the slideshow from any other slide, as long as it's selected, click on the From Current Slide command, which is found in the Slideshow command tab within the Start Slideshow group. Or you can select the Slideshow command in the status bar at the bottom right of the window, which will start the slideshow from the selected slide. Once you're in the slideshow, to advance forward through the animations and through each slide, you can click with the mouse. You can also use several keys on the keyboard, like Enter or the space bar. You can click with the right mouse button and select Next in the shortcut menu. Or you can use the navigation tools, which are faintly displayed in the lower left corner of the window. Selecting the right arrow will advance to the next slide. Once you get to the end of the slideshow, a black screen is displayed with instructions to click to exit the slideshow.